Hi, I'm Laurie, and I'm a change and learning strategist. What does that mean? My background's psychology and behavior change. So imagine in a world where there's a lot of rapid change in organizations, whether it's at a national level or at enterprise or global level, things change, technology, practices, policies change, but people are the slowest to change. So that's the world that I work in. I work with helping organizations to help people adapt to the change and really looking at what are the mindsets and the behaviors that need to change. And imagine now with the adoption of AI, there's a huge transformation needed in the way people engage with AI, how they use it, and also how they use their own human intelligence. And I'll talk more about that. Now, I've always used technology as an enabler. I've evolved a methodology which uses psychology and technology. So using AI is nothing new for me. I've been doing it for many, many years. In fact, AI is as old as I am, the truth be told. So I've always used technology. It's just that now I've really put a lot of focus on how might we leverage technology, but how do we also make sure that at the same time we balance that with focusing on not only AI, but HI? It's like they're two partnerships in this future world. So the future of work is going to be people that are able to maximize and use their human intelligence to optimize the AI, rather than that we become sort of really too much dependent on the AI. It's a partnership. So the future of work is going to be small, agile teams with large computing power. So that's the problem that I'm solving for, is helping people and organizations to be future ready, to be able to leverage agile teams, HI, human intelligence, which is your tacit knowledge, your intuition, your understanding of context, emotions, together with the AI. So that's the problem I'm solving, fusing AI and HI in this new economy and technology that's evolving. Look at the GCC region. It's very powerful in the sense that it's on a very sharp innovation track. So the more we invest in AI globally, and particularly in this region, in GCC, the more we're going to have to accelerate the development of human intelligence and future-ready talent. So that's the role I hope to be playing, and I am playing already with some pretty important organizations that want to show the way in terms of using AI, but also leveraging human intelligence at the same time. I think the most important thing is think about the innovation and the impact of your innovation on people. So don't just create cool tech. That's not the point. Technology, the definition of technology is to facilitate and to make things easier. So if you are making things easier, make sure that your innovation is actually having a positive impact on people and not in a way detracting and not uplifting them and empowering them. So I think that innovation with integrity is the most important thing. At a minimum, I'd love to, amongst leaders and teams, the impact and my mission really is to shape the way organizations are upskilling and uplifting and empowering people. So especially in an AI-dominated world, the positive impact that we aim to have with me and the partners that I work with is to make sure that people are at the center and really not minimizing their own intuition, their own tacit knowledge, and giving away their power to AI, but in fact leveraging AI and optimizing it while optimizing their own brain power and their own intuition. So I'm really excited to say that as I've worked in the region and really saw there was not only a need for macro level consulting, but bottom up, there was also a need for a tool. So I have invested my own time and energy to build a very simple tool which guides teams through an agile innovation process. But at every point in that process, the team needs to discuss and think and tap into their own tacit knowledge And only after they've done that can they get support from Gen AI and a ChatGPT. So it's something that we're testing in South Africa first, and we're bringing it to the region very shortly. My favorite quote is, I came up with it many years ago when I was already working with Cisco, and I could see that a mantra that I wanted everyone to think about, leaders, teams, decision makers, is as we digitize, we need to humanize. So that's something that I keep top of mind, that as much as I'm very much in favor of technology and AI and leveraging the power of this computing power, let's not forget that as we digitize, we need to humanize.